2005. So, not as much marine life is found there. Eelgrass and seagrass are common plants found in the shallow areas of
Pufferfish.
They are the food source for scallops,
Turtle.
crabs, and many fish.
Stingray.
Seaweed and
Clownfish. Jellyfish.
In the Indian Ocean, there is a submerged continent formed by volcanic
Shiners.
named the Kerguelen Plateau. A small portion of it is formed an island.
Leatherback turtle.
People live on. The Southern Ocean
Turtle. Sea turtle.
Atlantic Ocean. This ocean circles
Lobster. Crab.
southern of all oceans.
Seahorse.
Largest ocean. Parts of it freeze in winter and then melt again in summer. Chile, Argentina, and Australia are some of the countries that border the Southern Ocean.
Blue tang. Clownfish. Octopus.
Because it is so open and
Angelfish. Catfish. Orca. Whale.
Are very dangerous for ships passing through its freezing water.
Starfish.
Scientists have even
Clam.
discovered twice that tall.
Goldfish.